So good day everyone. So our topic for today is cooling and humidifying. So problem number one is hot dry air at 40 degrees dry bulb temperature and 21 degrees Celsius with wet bulb temperature passes through an evaporated cooler. The air leaves the cooler at 25 dry bulb temperature to calculate the saturation efficiency of the cooler. So our given is dry bulb 1 is 40 degrees, dry bulb 2 is 25 degrees Celsius, and wet bulb is 21 degrees Celsius. So record is the saturation efficiency. So we have this formula that efficiency equals dry bulb 1 minus dry bulb 2 over dry bulb 1 temperature minus wet bulb 1 temperature times 100. So we put the given, then times into 100. So our saturation efficiency is 78.95%. So the second problem is an evaporated cooler delivers 2 kg per second of air. The air enters at 38 degrees and leaves at 28 degrees Celsius. So how much sensible heat was removed from the air during this process? So our constant Cp is 1.006 kilojoules per kilogram per Kelvin. So we have mass of air 2 kg per second. Then temperature in equals 38 degrees Celsius. Temperature out is equals to 28 degrees Celsius. So our part is the US. So we have Q equals MA times Cp times T in minus T out. So we put the given, we have the answer QS equals 20.12 kilowatts.